Imagine waking up to news that your go-to messaging app is gone. For many, this wasn't a bad dream, it was reality. The recent WhatsApp ban sent shockwaves across the digital world. People felt lost, cut off from loved ones, friends, and even work contacts. The sudden change left users scrambling, unsure how to stay connected. It highlighted how deeply we rely on these platforms for daily communication. Many took to social media, voicing their frustration and searching for answers. The digital landscape felt shaky, a stark reminder of how quickly things can change in our tech-driven world. This situation underscores a vital point: we can't be complacent with our digital lives. The tools we depend on are not guaranteed to always be there. This event serves as a wake-up call, urging us to consider alternatives and be prepared for unexpected shifts. The reasons behind the WhatsApp ban are complex and varied depending on the region. Some countries cited security concerns, emphasizing the need to protect user data and privacy. Others pointed to concerns about misinformation and the platform's role in spreading harmful content. In some cases, the ban was linked to political factors and government control over communication channels. Regardless of the specific rationale, the bans raise important questions about the power of tech companies and the balance between user convenience and societal well-being. Users expressed anxieties over data security, censorship, and the lack of transparency in the decision-making process. The bans ignited debates about digital rights, freedom of speech, and the role of governments in regulating online spaces. This situation underscores the importance of digital literacy and understanding the implications of the technology we use. It's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with centralized platforms and to demand greater transparency from tech companies. We must advocate for our digital rights and push for responsible, ethical practices within the tech industry. With WhatsApp no longer an option, people are actively seeking alternative ways to stay connected. Fortunately, there are several other messaging apps available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Signal and Telegram have emerged as popular choices, praised for their strong encryption and focus on privacy. Other platforms like Viber and Line also offer secure messaging features and a wide range of functionalities. Choosing the right alternative depends on individual needs and priorities. Factors to consider include security features, ease of use, availability across different operating systems, and whether your contacts are already using the platform. This period of transition presents an opportunity to diversify our communication channels and explore options beyond mainstream platforms. It encourages us to seek out apps that prioritize security and privacy, putting control back into the hands of users. By exploring alternatives, we can cultivate a more resilient and adaptable approach to digital communication. Section 4. Switching without stress. Transitioning to a new messaging app might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be stressful. The key is to take a systematic approach. Start by identifying the app that best suits your needs and download it on your device. Next, inform your contacts about your switch, providing them with your new contact details on the chosen platform. Consider exporting your important chats and media from WhatsApp before fully abandoning the app. Many alternative apps allow importing data, ensuring you don't lose valuable conversations and files. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the new app's features and settings, ensuring you're comfortable with its functionalities. Remember, the initial adjustment period might require some patience. Encourage your contacts to make the switch as well, highlighting the benefits of the new platform. By approaching this transition with a clear plan and open communication, you can minimize disruption and maintain seamless connections with your loved ones. Section 5. The power of being ready. The WhatsApp ban serves as a potent reminder that our digital lives are not static. Changes can occur abruptly, urging us to be prepared for the unexpected. This includes cultivating digital literacy, understanding the tools we use, and exploring alternative options. By staying informed about digital trends and potential risks, we empower ourselves to navigate the evolving technological landscape. Building digital resilience goes beyond simply having backup plans. It's about adopting a mindset that prioritizes adaptability and proactive decision-making. This includes regularly reassessing our reliance on specific platforms, diversifying communication channels, and staying informed about privacy and security best practices. By embracing this proactive approach, we can mitigate the impact of unexpected disruptions like the WhatsApp ban. We become less reliant on any single platform and more adaptable to change. This fosters a sense of control and agency over our digital lives, allowing us to make informed choices that align with our values and priorities. Section 6. Let's talk and adapt. The WhatsApp ban is a conversation starter, prompting us to reevaluate our relationship with technology and prioritize mindful digital engagement. Let's use this opportunity to have open discussions with friends, family, and colleagues about the importance of digital well-being, security, and responsible tech use. Share your experiences, concerns, and insights about the ban and the alternatives you're exploring. Encourage others to diversify their communication channels and prioritize platforms that align with their values. By fostering these conversations, we collectively contribute to a more informed and resilient digital community. Adapting to change is a key skill in our tech-driven world. Let's embrace this opportunity to learn, grow, and navigate the digital landscape with awareness and intention. By staying informed, prioritizing security, and engaging in open dialogue, we can harness the power of technology while safeguarding our digital well-being